Hey guys, Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Some of you guys might not be aware of it, but we also do storefront window cleaning. I don't know why I never videoed one of these before, but here we are on a Saturday morning, just knocking one of our clients out for an ice cream store. They got 2 locations. I'm gonna film the first one. It's we got these windows along the front here, and then just the windows along the side. Ice cream place, so it gets a lot of smudges on the windows. Yeah, they're pretty dirty. So at any rate, that's what it is. Kimi's Ice Cream, Apollo Beach. Okay, so we're all done here. I'll walk through and show you the difference in these windows. Like I said, this was first time they've been cleaned in a long time, so they still have some watermarks up top there, but we'll have to get those out. We got a different process to get those off, but yeah, they look really good, much better. So and there's the front of the store. So yep, much better. I just want to take a minute and show you guys another part of our services that we offer. We kind of got into this sort of by accident. We had a couple of our customers asking about windows, and we were like, well, why not, right? So here we go. All right, we'll see you at the next job.